Welcome back. In this video we are going to continue from where we ended. We were solving the paper 2 mathematics question 5A for the grade 9s. Now it turns out that in paper 2 we have two questions that relate to number bases. So the first question in the previous video we answered this one, which carries most of the marks. In fact, it's the only question that is based on number bases that carries 3 marks. The rest carry 2 marks. So if you missed out on this video, I highly encourage you to watch it. I'll share it right now on the screen if you can see it. That's the video. You should just click there and you'll be able to watch the video. Otherwise, we are going to solve a different question, which is on question 6B. So this is the question and it reads as follows. Evaluate 110110 base 2 divided by 100 base 2, giving your answer in base 2. So we need to divide this number into that number. So let us indicate like so. Okay, as you can see, we have written our problem like that. It turns out this is not 100. There is a 1 at the end, so this is 1001. Okay, so we have to indicate a 1 like so. Let us now begin by dividing, should I say. What is 1001 into 1? It cannot go there. What of 1001 into 11? It also cannot go in there. What of 1001 into 110? It still cannot go in there. What if we include this 1 here? Let us try one more time. What is 1001 into 1101? It can go there how many times? 1 time. So indicate on top of the last digit of this number. Then we multiply. So what is 1 times 1001? It's going to be the same number. So I highly recommend you that you start writing from here going to the left. So we have said that 1 times 1001 is 1001. So we start like so, 1001. That way you minimize the chances of obtaining errors. Then we subtract. What is 1 minus 1? It's going to be 0. What is 0 minus 0? It's going to be a 0. What of 1 minus 0? It's going to be a 1. What of 1 minus 1 is 0, so there's no need of even indicating it here. So let us divide this number into that number. What is 1001 into 100? It cannot go in there. So what should we do in this scenario? What should we do in this case? We have to look for numbers that we can drop down like so. I see a 1, we drop it down like so. Then we try one more time. What is 1001 into 1001? It's 1. Okay, any number divided into itself, it's just 1. Okay, so indicate a 1 like so. Then we multiply. What is 1 times 1001? It's going to be 1001. Then we subtract like so. We clearly know that this number minus this number is going to give us a 0 because they're identical numbers, not so. Yes. So what should we do in this case? We should divide this number into that. What is 1001 into 0? It cannot go in there. So what should we do in this case? We should look for numbers that we can drop down like so. Okay. I'm almost running out of ink. As you can see, my pen is used up. Let us add a 0 like so. Hopefully you are able to see. Let me just adjust the book like so. What is let's just try one more time. What is 1001 into 0? This is just 0. It's going to give us a 0. So because it cannot go in there, so we just indicate a 0 on top of the 0 that we just dropped down. Then we multiply. What is 0 times 1001? It's going to be a 0. Then we subtract. Then we say, what is 0 minus 0? It's going to be a 0. So now, since there is no longer a digit to drop down and we have concluded to a 0, it means that we have reached the answer. So the answer to this problem is 110 base 2. So that's the answer. In the exam, that means that you have scored 2 marks. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day.